Here are your instructions for the Anatomical Terms Interactive Notebook. The reason why I'm assigning this is because usually I would have students make a paper version of this interactive notebook that serves as a reference for all of this introductory vocab that you need to learn and that we're going to be using over the course of the year. So this notebook is full of different activities that will help you to begin to practice and apply these different terms. How this is going to work is every remote day, starting today, there will be a short video to watch, and you will be assigned several slides in this notebook to work on. And the final completed notebook will be due October 14th. The one thing that I will say, and I want to give you a heads up on, is that there are a lot of different activities in this. And so you really can't wait until October 14th to get started on it. So stick to the agenda, stick to the schedule of the activities that you need to complete so that way you're not doing this whole thing at the last minute. So this is what it looks like. So to begin, we have on click and type in your name. Next, we have a table of contents. Then we have the different slide numbers to direct you to the different slides. A section on structure and function, terms of relative position, different body cavities, body planes, body regions, and then the virtual gummy bear dissection. So some of the activities require you to type and enter some text. There might be a little video included, like here. So you would just enter in your texts and read the instructions, enter the text in the table. Here's another example of another activity. Again, we have the table where you will define some terms and use it in sentences. And then there's this interactive activity. In the margin, there are these vocabulary words that you can just drag and drop to their correct places. Now, I know some of this is kind of small and hard to read, but if you click this magnifying glass right here, you can zoom in on specific sections. So if you want to zoom in on the vocabulary terms, you can zoom in to read them a little better and to see the diagram a little better. I'll talk some more about these other activities later on, but for now, what you need to do on your first remote day is you need to complete the 2 slides on structure and function, and then the 3 slides about terms of relative position. If you have any questions as to how to do this assignment, or if you have questions on the actual content, please feel free to send me an email.